Hey everyone, welcome back to Startup Sparks. I'm Taha, and today we're talking about how to take your startup idea from zero to hero. If you've ever dreamed of building your own business but felt overwhelmed about where to start, this video is for you. In just 5 minutes, I'll walk you through the key steps to turn your idea into a thriving startup. Let's get started. Number 1, validate your idea. The first step is idea validation. A great idea isn't enough. It needs to solve a real problem. Here's how to validate it. Talk to your target audience. Interview potential customers to understand their pain points. Research the competition. Check if others are solving the same problem. If they are, how can you do it better? Test with a prototype. Create a basic version of your product or service to gather feedback. Validation saves you time and money by ensuring there's demand for your idea before you dive in. 2. Create a minimum viable product. Once you've validated your idea, it's time to build your MVP. An MVP is a simplified version of your product that focuses on the core feature. For example, if you're launching a food delivery app, start with a simple platform that connects users with restaurants. If you're selling a physical product, create a small batch for initial customers. The goal is to get your product in front of users quickly, gather feedback, and refine it based on their needs. 3. Build your team and network. No successful startup is built alone. Surround yourself with the right people. Co-founders, look for partners who complement your skills. For example, if you're great at marketing, find someone skilled in product development or finance. Mentors, seek advice from experienced entrepreneurs who've been where you are. Investors and advisors, start building relationships with people who can fund or guide your startup. Networking platforms like LinkedIn, startup events, and accelerators are great places to connect with the right people. 4. Market and launch. With your MVP ready and a strong team in place, it's time to launch. Create buzz. Use social media, email campaigns, or even a pre-launch waiting list to generate excitement. Start small. Focus on a niche audience to gain traction and build a loyal customer base. Measure success. Use analytics to track your progress and identify what's working. Remember, launching is just the beginning. Continuously improve based on customer feedback. To recap, here are the steps to launch your startup. 1. Validate your idea. 2. Build a minimum viable product. 3. Assemble your dream team. 4. Market and launch effectively. Starting a business might seem intimidating, but breaking it down into these steps makes it manageable. The key is to take action. Start small, learn fast, and keep moving forward. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Startup Sparks, and comment below with your startup idea. Let's turn your dream into a reality.